Welcome to IT networking. So how to resolve the error another computer using the printer? Okay, so how to resolve? Firstly guys, click to start button, type control panel and view by category and click to hardware and sound. Then guys click to hardware and printer. Okay, they all printer. Like right click. Okay, so you have any print, so firstly delete, then close it. Then guys, next step, click Windows and R runs. You can search from directly run, type services.msc, then OK, and type printers plural, and you can directly, if you want to double click to stop and then start. Okay, okay. Third solutions guys, you go to browsers and enter your model number like HP Smart 870 printer drivers, and you have to install latest driver in your computer. Firstly select your browsers, which type of are you using, so you install the latest driver in your systems. Okay, next solutions guys, that issues coming by latest update. So again open control panel and I tell you how to uninstall latest update. Okay, same category, uninstall program and view by install. Now is use the Windows setting. That like this all update are installed, you can check it 16/7/2020 to install this update, so you can uninstall this. Okay, and one more thing, you uncheck, you have to check for troubleshoot, so you sharing is disabled, your printer sharing is, you can select, you can do disable the printer sharing, share the printer option. So how to, again type control panel and hardware and device, hardware, printer and device, printer and scanner, printer properties, sharing. So this is showing like share, so you uncheck and OK and close it. Okay, this is first options. And then guys, very important, Windows R, you have to clear printer folder. Okay, percentage WinDR, again percentage backslash system /32 backslash spool again backslash no space and printers and continue. This is asking, so select the all folder, right click to delete. Okay, next solutions, and you can go directly Windows Explorer, C drive, Windows, System 32, System 32, come to Explorer, then printer. Okay, this is actually address, Windows System 32 Explorer and printer. Okay, so guys, you do all the steps one by one, and again the show issue, so you can comment me, I will support you. Okay, and one more thing, please check your up to date, otherwise you can select to system, slow down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, audio printer, run this program. Actually that is showing like because I don't have Microsoft login in this accounts, so I have to firstly report, contact, sign in these issues. So you can't do this, no issues. I giving you that step will clear that will finish your issues. Okay, so actually this is troubleshoot, and lot of troubleshoot are available in this. Actually this is, I don't know why this is showing submits a report. Okay, this is actually working Windows 7 and 10 like this, restart your services, restart your drivers, like. Okay, so no issue. Thank you for guys, have an issue, so please comment me. Bye bye, take care.